Alright, Fandango Ranger Hawko here. Going to report on the aftermath of this superstorm, Category 1 Hurricane Sandy. But first, I gotta take the garbage out. It's a long night. Supplies are diminished. Hang on. Alright. As you can see, the power of the storm really knocked down a lot of leaves, branches, maybe even a few trees fell down. The storm surge we were expecting from this brook over here, it's a little higher, but it didn't cause the devastating floods that we expected. Now, a lot of people stayed home from work today. I really don't blame them. That's about it, really. All quiet here in New Jersey. Over and out. Out.